Hi guys, this is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from any image. Okay, so first of all, I will show you one image. So this is the image. Okay, so it's open double times. So this is the image. Okay, I want to remove everything, this background. Okay, I want only these two characters and I want to remove all these things, this white background. Okay, this one, everything. I want only these two characters. Then how to remove that? So go to browser and type like remove background. So you will see one link here, remove background.pg. Okay, remove.pg. Just open this link and upload image. I'm uploading this image. Now check here, everything will be removed. See here. Okay, complete background is removed. Okay, now I want to download this image. Okay, so you see there are two options. One is normal download and download HD. Okay, if you want to download HD, the size is 1080. I want to download HD. Okay, so it's telling like to get HD image you need to sign up. Okay, I'm clicking on sign up and continue with Google. Okay, I'm creating one account now. Okay, I need to click this and no need of updates. Just sign up. See here, again click on download HD. Okay, download HD for 1 credit. Okay, whenever you sign up you will get 1 credit. Okay, now I am downloading one HD image. See, the image is downloaded. I will open now. See guys, completely background is removed. Okay, this is HD image. If you want to download normal image, then click on here. So for normal download, no need of sign up, no need of login, everything. Okay, see the same output. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.